Loving you is so easy, it's like breathing. It's instinctual, natural, and all I know how to do. I have loved you for so long, a type of love that has no true beginning, middle, or end. Because in truth, I can't remember when I fell in love with you.
I remember meeting you at the Y all those years ago and being in awe of you. I was so happy when you wanted to be my friend and we started to spend more time together.
I love the relationship we built together. I love that you provide me with comfort and trust to be my truest self with you.
It has been an amazing, awe-inspiring, spectacular journey with you, and I cannot wait to continue to spend the rest of my life with you.
And I'd choose you in 100
Together they cheer each other on when trying a new workout routine or quizzing each other in latest class material or holding their own friendly competition.
Friendly competition.
Are you ready?
No.
No.
Okay, ready?
I'd say I do for the rest of my life. With all that I have, I do. And I will when the sky is falling. I promise you I'm all in.
Do you take Grace to be your wedded wife? And Grace, do you take Kirsten to be your wedded husband?
We do.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is my pleasure to introduce to you for the very first time the newest newlywed couple, Grace and Kirsten Kellner.
We're so grateful that our daughter has found someone that we love to share her life with. Today and always, they are a team. They are two halves of one heart. They're made for each other.
As we stand here, ready to start a new chapter of your life, we couldn't but be happy for you two.
Grace and Kirsten, I've loved watching your relationship grow over the past almost decade.
Don't marry the person that you want to live with, marry the person that you can't live without. And I think that really describes Grace and Kirsten better than any way I can put it.
Thank you for being my partner, both in making today all we could hope for and for being my partner in life. I couldn't be more excited to start this new chapter today. So, to love and to happiness, and well, to us.